a race scene. For those of you who don't know that film, you should watch it just so you can see that famous chariot scene, right? What is your favorite race text? Meaning the one where there's some kind of race of people or cars or whatever, right? And notice how it follows so much the basic narrative structure here, right? The question is always, who will win? Who will win? Very somehow very exciting, right? What is your favorite sport film or sport text? I mean, we always mention Robert Redford's The Natural because it's such a compelling one. But what is your favorite one? At 3B, what is your view of sports? Do you think it's a healthy distraction, or do you think it's taken way too seriously? And how about this one for 3B? What's a time you had to grieve for a loss? We're thinking now, obviously, about Achilles with Patroclus. You couldn't eat, you couldn't sleep well, kind of like Achilles. And what helped you to kind of get beyond it? If it wasn't sport, what was it? What was it that helped you to kind of move beyond in the grieving process? Well, the games are over, right? There's more fighting to be done, but not in the Iliad. We're going to come back now in book 24 to the Troy walls, to the tragic mourning for Hector's fallen body. And of course, Father will decide, I'm going to go and get the body of my son Hector. And when Priam and Achilles come together, we began with Achilles and Agamemnon, we will end with Achilles and Hector's father Priam. And it is some compelling stuff to finish. I hope you'll come back to finish the final book now of the Iliad, book 24. Thank you.